welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be reviewing this Fortnite Super Flare that is amazing. Show you how it works and just all that. And then this is actually my dad's and he's letting me use it for this video. It's a Fortnite revolver that's extremely big. I'll just show you how everything works and yeah, let's get started. Alright, so first, let's go with this thing. This thing is pretty simple. It's a hammer action revolver. Cylinder turns, it's a Nerf gun. And it's pretty neat. It's nice. If this was an actual real life gun, this would be a 500 Smith & Wesson Magnum with an 18-inch barrel. That is a big gun. And I know that it doesn't have very much recoil. It just pushes back. Like you'd expect from any gun like the H&K-53. Watch that video for me reviewing it. I am actually on vacation right now, so don't mind that I'm in a cramped space. My dad wouldn't let me do it. I'm in a trailer right now, so yeah. It's a pretty neat gun. I mean, cylinder turns. It has regular darts. It's nice. And yeah, it's pretty neat. This is my gun. It is a Fortnite Super Flare. If you play Fortnite, you've seen both of these guns. You know what they are. I don't play Fortnite personally, but I love this gun. It has a little hook down here so you can just hang it. And the hammer right here, when you pull that back, it releases the barrel and it fires massive mega darts. And it comes with 3. And if you guys want to buy this because of how cool Super Flare looks, and that's my name, when you buy it, well, real quick, I'm just going to say, this right here is rubber. It's good for gripping. When you buy this gun, the word Super Flare won't look like that. Because I customized this thing personally so that it looks cooler. I wrote my name on the side, surrounded it with red. Outlined Super Flare, surrounded with it with red. And yeah, it's a nice gun. And how you cock it is you just pull this down here, and it's a single shot, unlike the revolver. And yeah, trying to decock this thing. It's kind of hard. Alright, there we go. Yeah, it's a nice gun, and if you ever want to buy this gun, it does not come with this. It does not outline Super Flare. It's just all orange. And it doesn't come with my name on it. I hope you like this video, and make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this a thumbs up. And see all of my other videos. And see my flipped camper videos, my Stella's eyeball problem videos. Every single video I've uploaded. I post twice a week on this channel, so definitely make sure to hit the notification bell. See you guys in the next video. See you guys later.